Although fans of the Beatles will need to wait until 2028 to see the band's story brought to life through the 4 interconnected films directed by Sam Mendes, one member of the iconic British group is stepping into the spotlight on his own much sooner. Prime Video is set to premiere Man on the Run on February 27th, a documentary centered on Paul McCartney and his journey after leaving the Beatles. Unlike the large-scale cinematic project about the band, this film offers a far more intimate portrait, focusing on McCartney's creative rebirth as he rebuilt his career with his new group, Wings, formed alongside his wife, Linda McCartney. In an exclusive still from the documentary, McCartney is seen seated at his keyboard, tentatively beginning the creative process once again. Walking away from the band he had shared with John Lennon, George Harrison, and Ringo Starr was a monumental turning point in his life. In the film's trailer, McCartney reflects that during that period, he felt as though his songwriting days might be over, and he struggled with a deep sense of depression as he faced an uncertain future beyond the Beatles. Linda played a pivotal role in helping him rediscover his passion, encouraging him to return to music and collaborate once more. The documentary captures raw and vulnerable moments, whether McCartney is quietly experimenting at the piano or exchanging ideas with his wife, as he shapes a fresh sound that would come to define a new decade of his career. Man on the Run traces the early chapter of McCartney's solo path, from his initial post-Beatles releases, which failed to match the immediate impact of his former bandmates' projects, to the formation of Wings and the eventual creation of his first platinum album with the band, Band on the Run. Featuring rare archival footage and previously unseen materials, the film is described as one of the most revealing examinations of McCartney's life after the Beatles. It delves into the emotional and logistical hurdles of building a new band from scratch, his partnership with Linda, and the distinctive bond he continued to share with Lennon, despite their disagreements. The feature is directed by Academy Award winner Morgan Neville, known for 20 Feet from Stardom, with McCartney serving as an executive producer. Ahead of its premiere at the Telluride Film Festival last year, Man on the Run was acquired by Amazon MGM Studios, signaling ambitions beyond a simple streaming release. The documentary forms part of a broader collaboration between McCartney and Universal Music Group, which includes exclusive music releases and merchandise distributed through Amazon Music throughout the year. McCartney also contributed special commentary to accompany the release, enhancing the collection for fans. The timing of the film coincides with the publication of his book, Wings, The Story of a Band on the Run, an oral history-style reflection on the creation of Wings and the turbulent period following the Beatles' breakup. Together, the film and book offer a comprehensive look at McCartney's artistic reinvention beyond the shadow of his former band.